In this video, I'll show you how to remove TikTok passkey on iPhone. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. So if I've created a passkey on TikTok and you love to delete it, I'm going to show you how I can be able to remove it. So open up your app settings, your iPhone settings, come on here, type in password. So this is it. I'm going to just click on it. So it's going to come out. So I need to just scroll down. You're going to be able to see open passwords. So click on it. So this is going to come out. So I'm going to just enter this required details now. So I'm going to skip this part of this video and continue from where I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so this is going to open up after you have entered your own passcode. So you're going to be able to see all passkey codes, Wi-Fi, security deleted. So click on passkey. So this is my TikTok. So if I want to remove my passkey, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on it. So you're going to be able to see created. So I'm going to just click on edit. I'm going to click on delete. So once I click on delete, I'm going to be able to delete or remove my own passkey from my TikTok account. So no saved passkey. So this is it. So if I go back to my TikTok account, so I'm going to be able to create a new one if I want to do this. So I'm going to just do it. I'm going to click on passkey. So you can see I'm going to be able to set up a new one from the very beginning. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.